We are trackside. Here is the Lotus 79 track fans. Albert, Wilf, you ready? It's like the old days. We are gonna go. 3, 2, 1. Get in there, first corner round. Wow, this is a fast bit of kit. I love it. Magnet Racing, new dimension. Whoa, skidded out on the far corner. I don't know if you can see it from over there. It's a bit dark. But we'll do a little bit of commentary from the other side to get a little bit of feeling on all corners. And the Lotus 72 is not hanging around. Sorry, Lotus 79, I stand corrected. I'm just so excited, it's such a good car. This is a lot of fun, track fans. The Magnet is keeping me on the track at crazy driving maneuvers, but it is good, it is a fast car. Only one D slot so far, which means it's good, but then I've got a Magnet, so I suppose that's going to be a saving grace as it comes into the R2, R3, R3. Crashes out into the new scenery! No way! All right, back on the track. It probably needs to come around for a bit of a tyre clean. Let's change camera angle, everyone. I'll bring it around and I'll quickly whip that round and then we'll carry on the commentary from the start line. As we carry on around then, we are on another camera on another camera angle as we take the Lotus 79 round for a test drive. It is really rapid. Loving driving this. It's so much fun. Yes, lap times. I'll put the lap counter on, won't it? Let's get that going on. This is it. Let's get some lap times down. Let's go, right. Just a nice steady build up on this one. It's not registered the lap. D slide. Straight away by the Magnetic Racing gantries. Okay, that lap registered. So just going to focus on driving a little bit of commentary as we come around the gantries and under the Goodyear Bridge, past the big tower of lights. Interesting sections going to be happening on that scenery where the big light tower is there. So stay tuned for that. It's not quite yet. That's going to be part 5 or part 6. Currently working on part 3 scenery at the moment. This was part 2, this one here that I just launched. Oh, I stopped on there, didn't I? Right. Lotus is performing really nicely. Big brakes on it as well, nice. Whoa, spins out under the light tower. Excellent. Right, bring it around for a final lap. I think that's enough. I think you get the gist of the Lotus 79, everyone, from Scalextric. What a bit of kit. Love it. Yes, Scalextric. You've done good. Brilliant. Awesome. I tell you what, I am buzzing. Look at this smile. You just don't get this. That is a good bit of kit. Out of the box, it's running. Don't need to do any tuning, just have fun. Yes. Right, I'm off because this is too much. I need to go and have a lay down. Here, track fans, you're never going to guess what, right? So this is the Lotus 79. Nice bit of kit, Scalextric. So I've done a few laps and now I have a problem. It's dead. It's died at the spectators. Which looks great for the photos. Okay, I found the culprit. You can see, look, the gear crown here
has completely failed. It's buckled. It's just try and get in focus so you can see. It's just not held well at all. There you can see it just about there. How mangled it is.
Hey track fans, guess what? I just thought I'd pop in a little video at the end of the video. Not normally my style, normally do it at the start, but I'm so excited because, you know, had some problems with the crown gear on the Lotus 79. Well, I thought Scalextric was sending me a replacement crown gear. No, they've sent me a brand new replacement car. Check it out. That is what we're dealing with here. A brand new car. So I'm going to take it to the track and have some fun. Brilliant. 10 out of 10 for customer service, Scalextric. Thank you very much, and I'm really looking forward to getting back on the track because this car is the most fun, as you've seen. Anyway, on that note, have a good one, track fans. I'll see you on the next video. Track fans!